Good day to everyone and thank you for viewing my poster. I am Gautam Kumar from IIT Madras and I am presenting our poster titled Equivalence of Space and Time Bins in Differential Phase Shift Quantum Key Distribution or DPS-QKD. In our QKD experiment, Alice sends a coherent state to Bob split into 3 time bins or classically viewed as 3 pulses. For a mean photon number of 0.1, there is a negligible probability of having more than one photon in a time bin, and hence this one photon is described as being in a superposition state of 3 time bins. This superposition is passed through a delay line interferometer at Bob's site. As a result, the photon is now in a superposition of 4 time bins, and hence we also refer to this 3 pulse DPS QKD as a 4 state system. We had previously reported that the 4 state DPS scheme is more secure against both intercept attack and beam splitter attack. While many people report experiments generating the superposition state using spatial delay lines, we observe that it would be easier to do the same thing by using temporal delays and demonstrate that the two methods are equivalent. We saw here 2 different source configurations, namely path superposition and time bin superposition. In the path superposition configuration, weak coherent pulses are passed through a 1x3 and 3x1 beam splitter coupler combination so that photons coming out from 3x1 coupler are in superposition of 3 paths, whereas in the time bin superposition scheme, we merely use a 3 nanosecond pulse shaped by the intensity modulator and then attenuated to a single photon levels. A random differential phase pattern consisting of 0 or pi is applied within a 3 nanosecond temporal waveform as shown in figure on the right side, in a manner analogous to a differential phase between the spatial superposition state. Now we transmit the phase modulated superposition state to Bob through a quantum channel. Bob's setup consists of delay line interferometer which extracts phase information introduced in Alice setup. Both ports were then multiplexed using a 2x1 coupler and sent to a single photon detector. This technique provides a cost-effective configuration since one speed is enough to extract timing instant information. With a hold-up time of 10 microseconds, we are able to generate a raw key rate of 100 kbps. Alice and Bob must then use a classical communication channel to extract a shifted key. The shifted key rate for our 4 state DPS is equal to 2/3, and if we extend this to the power n-1 states, the shifted key rate converges to 1 as n increases. The secure key rate, however, depends on the number of time bins or delays. When we use path superposition, the n×1 and 1×n couplers introduce additional losses that increase with n. This additional loss does not occur in the time bin approach, and hence a time bin superposition approach is more efficient and provides a higher secure rate than a path superposition approach. You can see the QBR and shifted key measurement plots here. The plots show how we arrive at the equivalence between the temporal and path superpositions method. For each case, we measure the parameters C00, C01, C10 and C11 that capture the true and false detections. We can then define a visibility parameter and tune the setup. After optimizing various parameters in Alice and Bob setup, we generated shifted keys with both temporal and path superposition configurations over a fiber channel of 30 km and were able to observe a shifted key rate of 25 kbps and a QBER of 11.5%. This quantum channel was then extended over 105 km of single mode optical fiber, and we observed that the shifted key rate dropped to 2 kilobit per second with a QBER of approximately 14%. We demonstrated 2 different experimental approaches, spatial superposition and time bin superposition, to realize a 4 state DPS QKD over a 105 km quantum channel. We observed that the time bin superposition scheme is more efficient and easier to implement and can be extended to an M state DPS QKD system. A natural extension of this work is to use time bin superposition for measurement device independent DPS QKD. We will eventually be limited by our ability to differentiate between adjacent time bins in both the temporal and path superposition setups. Thank you very much.